Hello everybody, the Bay Jose here, and today I have a updated version of Circuit Simulator. And as you may notice, everything is kind of different. You see the background workspace is blue now, and that is because in this time that I have taken off from putting videos out, I have been working on Circuit Simulator, and I have created texture pack support for Circuit Simulator. So now, if you want to switch between texture packs, you can come over to the Logic tab, just click on this last one, and then right click, and a G option pane comes up, and it says please enter texture pack ID. This texture pack ID is blue, all lowercase, and it puts that into effect. However, if you want to change it back to default, just right click when the G option pane comes up, type in default with no spaces or caps, and as you can see, everything changes back. So yeah, that's that. In the blue texture pack, so I'll go back to that, type in blue, all of the different icons or objects look differently. And that is just because there is a folder created that has an overridden copy of each of the pictures, and they're named the exact same. And don't worry about if you miss one of the textures or anything by accident. If there's ever a missing texture, it will default to the default texture inside of the jar. So that just prevents the game from crashing. Just in if you miss a file, the game won't crash. You may also notice that the wire color is blue instead of red like it was before. And that is because whenever you create a texture pack folder, you can put, or you need to put a pack.txt file in with your texture pack. And that pack.txt file contains the name of your texture pack, so you can call it whatever you want. And it also contains a hexadecimal color code, and if you don't know what those are, you can look it up. They have kind of lists of the color code to the color, and basically what it is it's a red value, a green value, and a blue value. So this one I have 0 red, 0 green, and full blue, so 0000FF, and that is the hexadecimal color for blue, and you can see right here it's blue. Yeah, you can have however many texture packs you want, and whenever you add a new texture pack, the texture pack ID is the name of the folder that the texture pack is in. So this texture pack here, this blue one, is in a folder called blue. So the texture pack ID is blue, spelled the exact same way. And then it goes to that blue folder and it loads it, and it has all your images overridden with these different colored ones. So now you can create your own texture packs, change anything you want about how the background and game objects look. Right now I have it so that this top menu bar does not change based on the texture pack. I can add a feature that will enable you to even change this menu bar up here. If you would like to, you can just request that down in the comments. Say, hey, I'd like to be able to change the menu bar or something like that, and I will implement that into the next version. Yeah, so with installing texture packs, all you need to do is take the folder containing all the images and put it into the texture packs folder that is next to this jar. So when you double click to run this jar, in that directory there will also be there will now be a folder called texture packs. You can see when you download it that yes, there is now a texture packs folder there with a blue texture pack inside. So it is kind of annoying right now how you need to go to the Logic tab and right click on the 6th button here to change the texture. So I'm gonna just switch it back to default right now. It is kind of annoying how you need to kind of do that. What I'm planning on implementing in the future is something just like this, where there will be a tab over on the side for messing with textures, and you can click on it, and these rectangle text things will appear, and you can just click on the one that you want, and it will kind of override all the textures with it. This is now something that is also included. It is a counter that I made, but it actually, I'm getting 0 frames per second right now. So I'm just gonna go back to circuit 1. Yeah, I was getting 400, I'm getting, well, now it's locked at 300, but I was getting 480 frames per second here before, and that other one has 1 frame per second. So yeah, that's a pretty slow circuit because there's a lot in it. But yeah, you can check that out if you want, if your computer's good enough to handle it. So just be careful. But yeah, that's all that I've implemented in this week that I've taken off. Just working on some bug fixes and adding this texture pack support. And as you notice down here, it is version 0.9. So that means that the next version is version 1.0, and anything after that will kind of be bug fixes, or maybe I'll add some additions and stuff too. But for the final version, I'm going to add something super fun and exciting. But you will need to wait until then to check it out. Oh, I completely forgot. I added one other thing. It's just a minor thing, but you see this fifth tab. This is a T flip-flop. You can basically you can use these guys to like toggle stuff. So when you press this button once, it's off. Press this button again, it turns on. It just toggles. And if you can actually count in binary with an array of the T flip-flops, which I think is kind of cool. Here, I'll turn snap to grid on. Oh yeah, okay, like this. Here, I'm gonna pause the video here for a second. I'm gonna build this up and then I'll come back once it's built. Okay, so I just built this counter real quick. So I'm gonna press this button, and as you can see, it counts down. And this is actually counting down in seconds. There's just a little delay here that is a 1 second timer. So 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And it's actually keeping time. You can... Wait, no, it wasn't. 4, 3, 1, 0. What? Okay, there we go, there we go. Now it's keeping time. Oh wait, this is 2 seconds, so half of this. This is now a second timer. Okay, I fixed that. So yeah, now this is counting in seconds, but that's not very fun. It's pretty slow. We can speed this up. So I'm just gonna take the trash, delete this, all this. 2 inverters, a button. Put this to here. Put this to here, and this down there. Okay, now when I press this, it's counting very fast. Pretty cool. So yeah, once this gets to 0, it'll just reset all the way up to 511. 511. Okay. I'll just show that you can change texture packs like this. Blue. Now it's blue. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you see the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.